Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to adjust or resize screen size in OBS Studio. I will tell you different methods to adjust the screen size. You can use any of them. First of all, open the OBS Studio. For the first one, you will see the screen line above the scenes option. Drag this line up or down to adjust the screen size. For second method, you have to click on the video screen over here and now drag this corner in and out according to your requirement. By doing this, just screen size will change. The aspect ratio of the recording screen will not change. To change the aspect ratio, press shift and then adjust the screen size by dragging its corners and you will see that its aspect ratio is changing now. And if you want to undo this, simply press Ctrl plus Z key from your keyboard, and you can also reset the changes by first clicking on the video screen, then click on the transform option. Now select Reset Transform. You will see that the changes have reset. The last method is to crop the screen first and then record. For that, right click on this video screen and select the transform option. Then click on the Reset Transform option. Now press the Alt key and crop your screen according to your requirements. You can use this method to crop the screen, but pressing the Alt key is compulsory, otherwise this method won't work. And this is how you can adjust or resize screen size in OBS Studio.